Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we're taking a look into the charts, and what I was scared for is kind of happening. The ES1 futures are correcting over here, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq as well. Closer look here at, well, close. This is a very big view of the S&P 500. This was April last year. We already bounced by that time, but we had the March crash, of course. And right now we are here, and we just broke this trend line. We had a very high top over here. This trend line touched it, and that was my target as well. And right now we are correcting. I mean, it's about finding support. Right now you can see, we're on the 4-hour chart, not going to zoom in anymore. But this, this top over here is support. Maybe a shakeout, maybe run some stops. I'm not trading the S&P much, so I don't know how those things work over there. But I mean, it's all about finding supports. One big support over here is this level, of course. And yeah, that brings us to the downside channel as well. Wouldn't be a really big problem as long as they hold this one, of course. And the thing is, if you correct like that, everybody is long, and if you're not long, you missed a great deal of upside. But I mean, who can buy the dip if everybody's long? People are snorkeling underwater. The Dixie happened what I hoped it would happen. We made new lows compared to these ones over here. Right now, still some support over here on these highs over there. We can drag this one and just play it like this. We see some tops over here. So very important level, but we want it under the 90 again over here. Why is the Dixie so important, you ask? I hear you asking. This was the 2017 bull market for crypto and Bitcoin. So we're basically doing the same over here. We're seeing a bounce similar to over this one maybe, or we are at the bottom. We want to see new lows under 88. CME gap. We have a big CME gap. A lot of traders are aiming for this one, that retest of 60k. I think it's still possible. I'm kind of leaning neutral. Right now we have a low over here. This was the low of yesterday. Then we had a higher low, and now we just made a higher low as well. So it is not that dramatic as people want to make it. But it is a correction, yeah. And what we really want is people to become very, very bearish, everybody shorting, and then spot pumping everything. And we can short squeeze them up again. Then people long the top again, like over here. And we do the same all over. And if you want to trade like that, contact me. I'm selling a course on how to profit from that immensely. Bottoms, always see low fundings or negative. Always, just like over here as well, the whole time. And over here you see premiums rocket, and that's really how you call tops. Over here as well, that's how you call a top. We got a little shakeout over here on this bottom, and you see the premiums completely disappear. Everybody's over leveraged, and that is a good thing if you know how to trade according to it, because naked technical analysis, what I do mostly on this channel, is one thing. But looking at liquidity, that is, we tested this line by the way, is a second thing. If you see a perfect rising wedge, and if everybody is shorting it, it will probably break up, and the other way around. So that is really a big thing to consider. Also, higher lows for Ethereum. So it is not that bad as people make it, but it's not looking great yet. Ethereum BTC, however, is looking great. Not sure if you're trading BTC pairs. Let me know in the comments, because then I will cover some more Ethereum BTC pairs, of course. I want happy viewers, and you guys let me know how I can make you guys happy. That's how that works. But Ethereum BTC looking very good over here. Yeah, the only thing we want is higher highs. We want to go over here. And the more touches at resistance, the likelier we will go through it. A lot of people tend to forget that. They think more taps on a support or a resistance, it gets stronger. No, every tap it gets weaker. Dogecoin. I was at a girl's place last night, and one of my good friends texted me saying, yeah, Doge is looking very well. And I was like, yeah, okay, but I'm at a girl's place. And he said, well, okay, sorry. And I'm like, never mind. Went into my app on FTX and bought some Doge. And it was around over here. And yeah, I broke curfew after that, guys. Anyway, looking very good, looking very strong. Doge made a higher low, double top over here. And if they go over here again for the top, it will break. It will break. Triple tops do not exist unless it's on a 1 minute chart or something. But this is the hourly. And on the hourly, I do not believe in triple tops. XRP. I mean, if you zoom out a little bit or on the 15 minute, you can already see it. What am I seeing, guys? You guys know me by now. I am seeing a head and shoulders kind of. Shoulder, head, right shoulder. Support for XRP. I would say this is over support. They front ran it over here, but breaking this one would mean down with XRP. Broke this line as well. Some inside trading. Perfect triangle or perfect trend line. Taps on it over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. Perfect. Perfect trend line. This is the low they should hold, just because it was a recent low. Badger, let's take a look at Badger. I mean, Badger is worrying me a little bit. Should really hold $35. They really should, because it's undervalued at the moment. They have a couple times their market cap in treasury. So yeah, Badger is really undervalued. Litecoin, I mean, should really bounce here as well. It's not looking great. S&P is not looking great. This isn't looking great either. Solana is breaking all the rules. Solana broke the all-time high over here. Did a very good couple retests on it and held it. I mean, it's a rocket ship. Over here, the hourly completely engulfed again. Bounced powerful. Yeah, support for Solana, $30 basically. Next one, 28, but it's a rocket ship and it's going to 50 easily. That's all I can say. Showing this power at these times, yeah, it's a rocket ship. Just like Doge is a rocket ship at the moment. And Bitcoin, I mean, yeah, I'm not really biased or anything, you know. I'm just worrying about the Nasdaq and the complete markets all in one. Just like I said, if everybody's long, if everybody's risk on, if interests are low, people, yeah, gonna look for risk. And if everybody's long, who is ready to buy the dip? That is the question I have. And let me know how you guys think about it. I'm a little bit low-key bearish in the short term. Long term, I'm always a big bull. You guys should know that. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. And if you want to trade like me and look at liquidity and things like that, let me know in the comments. Send me a PM on Twitter. My email address is on my YouTube as well. If you go to the About section on my channel, you scroll down a little bit and you can see my email address over there. Send me an email, ask me what you want, and the course is not that expensive. And I'll help you until you understand everything, because some people are experienced traders already, never used liquidity, but for new people it is actually quite simple, and I'm always here to help, always here to explain things. So that is about it. Make sure to leave a like and comment something. See you guys again tomorrow.